Yawning or surprise? What is the correct approach? What do you think? So I say I'm going to talk about this topic in the last video. So let's go to the point. Yawning is a good idea, okay, as technique to help yourself to get the right position, all right? But that doesn't mean you have to sing like that. I see these examples around.
Yeah?
Can you imagine Franco Corelli, Ettore Bastianini, Ramon Vinai doing those kind of approach to create space? So coming from those schools, I can tell you no. Okay, so the breathing in surprise or the breathing yawning, it gives more or less the same quality of space, okay, but not the same quality or quantity of engagement of your overall body, okay? While both give you cavity, surprise will put your body in alert, so you're going to be active. You will have the same cavity that you get when you breathe as yawning, but without going into that passive mode, okay? It will put you active. Your brain doesn't know if it's a positive or a negative surprise, okay? Something joyful or life danger surprise. You don't know. That's why it's a surprise. Your body will get in an active mode of action of something unknown and surprising. So your heart will pump more blood. Your muscles will get tense in a fraction of a second. Your veins will get tighter. That means to pump more blood in a fraction of a second, your body and your heart needs more oxygen. So your body will take the biggest capacity possible in the shorter time to get oxygen, to be ready for action, okay? Now, if we bring that to our singing, logically, when we are performing, it doesn't have to be that obvious and doesn't have to be exaggerated like that either, but in practicing, to get these positions, okay, to get this inner space, this cavity, all right? Try it yourself. Breathe in surprise with me in this moment. Think about this. Okay, Elon Musk. Suddenly you open your email and you see a message from Elon Musk and he's giving you just some part of his Bitcoin just because. I will do like, wow, surprise. Try it yourself. Pick a mirror, observe your cavity, observe the back of your throat, pharynx, the tongue. Look what happens inside when you breathe in surprise. You will see this, look. You see how the soft palate comes up and the tongue goes slower? That is without creating any kind of muscle manipulation by my part with my own conscious, but for the action of surprise, of opening my ribs and breathing like that. If you observe, there is this video of Franco Corelli in this concert in the 71, I think, in Japan. You can see how he breathes in surprise with an oo, like I talking about the video, breathing an oo, use the oo. So oo and surprise, and then attack. You can do it faster. The reaction is the same inside. If you do it together with the expansion of the ribs before doing the breathing, you have a more relaxed mechanic. Expansion of the ribs and breathing. And then you attack in that cavity. You don't let go the deepness of the larynx, and you have created with this approach, okay? It's not a mechanical thing. Mechanics, I teach them to my students because these are short videos. I don't know how long it's going to be, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, maybe 10, I don't know. But you cannot give so much like this. It needs to be guided behind, okay, the mechanics. But, I mean, the methodology, mechanic methodology, this is a technical thing that you can practice in your house and you can try yourself. That's the reason why I prefer this surprise breathing. In whatever phrase you are doing, people won't realize it. Okay, plus we're on stage, you have to sing a phrase, you breathe in surprise, and you go. Can you imagine an esultate like that? Please, sorpresa, surprise! Imagine attacking una furtiva lacrima and breathing in yawning position. Right? So, una furtiva, oh Madonna. So you take this breathing in yawning and then you have to go to a correct ooh. Breathing ooh and surprise. Una furtiva. Make even a softer attack. Una furtiva lagrima. Same thing here. Negli occhi suoi spunto. Oh, no. No. Una. Softer. Una. It's not also. Una. No, that's Otello. Otellorino. No confusion here. No confusion. So, yawning, yes, it helps. Now I'm making a little bit of fun, okay? Because, come on. Oh, no, okay. But yawn, yes, it's possible because it creates the same space. But, surprise, will give you the core of activation of everything. Will put your body active. All right? So let's go. I prefer surprise. What do you prefer?
I don't know what that was.